forecast. We've had some severe weather. We've seen some thunderstorms here and lots of rain lately, along with this humidity.
Yeah, you know, once again, tomorrow we're going to deal with the heat, the humidity, and more chances for those afternoon showers and storms. Let's talk about the numbers, though. Today across the Carolinas, we climbed into the low 90s in Columbia, Augusta. We made it to 88 here in Charlotte, 90 in Raleigh and Rocky Mount, and 94 degrees in Norfolk, Virginia. So as you wake up tomorrow morning here closer to home, we'll start off in the low 60s in the mountains, upper 60s to low 70s across the Piedmont. It will be a dry start to the morning, but by the afternoon, I'm tracking more showers and storms. So speaking of that, nothing really to track on First One Doppler Radar tonight. Earlier today, we had some isolated showers and storms out there, especially farther to the south and southeast, but those have since dissipated and we are quiet. So as we kick off the day tomorrow, 8 o'clock in the morning, you'll notice we've got a partly cloudy sky. It is warm and muggy, but it's dry. And then as we get into the afternoon, we've got the heat, the humidity. So once again, we'll have that chance for afternoon showers and storms. And then by the evening, once the sun sets, our rain chances will start to dwindle. Now, speaking of rain chances, only isolated chances until about Saturday, so right around 30–40%. But notice what happens into early next week. Our rain chances jump, more so scattered in nature, and that's because I'm tracking our next cold front. That front will drop into the region, increasing our rain and storm chances, but bringing our temperatures down. So that'll be a little bit of a change going into next week. Out there right now, speaking of temperatures, we're at 76 in Charlotte, 73 in Gastonia. Good evening in Concord, you're at 77 and 74 right now in Monroe. Now I want to talk to you about the heat index because today we had those heat index values in the low 90s. So while temperatures were in the 80s for some of us, it actually felt like the 90s when you factor in the humidity. So tomorrow that's going to be the case as well. So temperatures will feel like the low to even mid 90s. As we go into Thursday afternoon, look what's happening here. It's going to feel like the mid to even upper 90s in some spots, especially farther to the southeast, and more of the same as we go into Friday. You can see our heat index futurecast 3 o'clock. We've got those heat index values in the mid to upper 90s. Now I mentioned the humidity. So today the humidity was pretty high in the upper 60s and low 70s. It's going to stay there over the next 7 days. So it's going to stay humid. It's going to stay muggy, not really catching a break from the humidity, at least in the short term. For tomorrow, temperatures in the mid to upper 70s in the mountains. Across the foothills, upper 80s and upper 80s to low 90s across the Charlotte area. Farther to the south and southeast, we've got temperatures right around and in the low 90s. So the 7-day forecast, the 90s will stick around through about Sunday. Temperatures dropping into the 80s Monday, Tuesday, and that's actually below our average of 91 degrees. But as I mentioned, temperatures will come down, rain chances go up, but the humidity, that's not going to go down, unfortunately. Yeah.
All right, I should think.